Hi guys, hope you all are fine and safe. Today I am going to tell you that how to make fake nails. I have joined the two sheets to make the fake nails hard. Draw your nail shapes and cut it. You can draw any type of shape you want. Here I cut almond shape because that suits me well. You can use any type of glue or double-sided tape on your nails. Paste another shape so that the texture becomes hard. Now I am going to stick the shape on my nail. Paint the nail with your favorite color, also color inner part. Also paint the inner part so it doesn't look fake. So here is the final look. Anyone can make easily at home. I also make fake nails for my sister and she loves it. Anyway, this is the end of the video and hope you guys like this video. Share this video with your friends. Bye guys.